to help you speed up a bit. You know, playing fast is not the issue, but playing correct and accurate notes and sounding beautiful, sweet. Okay, if you'll be able to do that, how to handle the pick is a factor. How you handle the pick is a factor. Okay, I will take time to come and explain this to you. But your fingers should always be positioned at the right place, at the right time, for you to continue improvising. The essence of this beautiful lick I'm giving you this morning. One most difficult thing to do with the guitar is to be able to move from one string onto another string. I mean, playing arpeggios, that's not easy, especially with the pick. So here is a little exercise to help you do it in the key of F. By the way, I'm Georgespratz, and I'm in town. In case you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a pro, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Hey, wherever you are on this continent, we can have an online guitar lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, a beautiful channel, because we have so many beautiful contents here. And don't forget to leave your comment, like and share, describe our page to others. All right, we come your way every week with lessons. So this is a little exercise to help you master the pick and then get your right finger positions in the key of F. I'm able to do this because of first the position of my fingers. At every particular point in time, I try to position my fingers at the right place for the next note. You see? And how to hold the pick. But you know, speed is the byproduct of accuracy and continuous practice. You can't play speed overnight. If I were you, I would follow the note slowly. It doesn't matter how long it takes. What matters is at the end of the day, you were able to play it. All right, just take your time to learn these notes one by one. Take your time in the key of F. I'm starting from the E string, 4th fret position, which is G sharp. final strokes of the pick or the ten. Mo, mi, fa, mo, mi, mo. So you can even break it down into little pieces and practice it. For instance, mo, mi, fa, mo, mi, do, so, fa, re, re, mi, do. Only that part. Then you can add the next notes to it. I have decided to use this acoustic guitar because it is wide, and the space between one string and the other is so wide that if you're able to do this exercise on this acoustic guitar, you can easily do it on the electric guitar. Hey, give it a shot. See you again and soon.